Are you waiting for your Relay account to get verified and wondering what's taking so long? You're not alone. The verification process is a critical step, but it can feel like a black box if you don't know what's happening behind the scenes. In this video, we're going to break down the Relay account verification process, so you know exactly what to expect and how to avoid common delays. Relay, like any regulated financial institution, has to follow strict banking and compliance regulations. This isn't just a formality, it's to ensure the security of your account and the entire platform. The process typically begins once you've submitted your application and all your business and personal details. So, what's happening during this in-review phase? First, Relay's system is automatically checking the information you provided. This includes verifying your identity and business details against various databases. For the individual, this means matching your name, social security number, or passport number with your government-issued photo ID. For the business, they're looking at your employer identification number, business name, and business formation documents, such as articles of incorporation or organization. Most of the time, this automated review is quick, and accounts are approved within 1 to 2 business days. But sometimes, the system can't automatically verify everything, and that's when a manual review is triggered. This is the most common reason for delays. So, what causes a manual review? It could be something as simple as a blurry photo of your ID, a typo in your address, or a discrepancy between the name on your document and the one you entered. If your business has multiple owners, the application will also wait until every owner has submitted their information. Relay's team will contact you via email if they need additional documents, like a utility bill for address verification or a clear copy of your EIN letter. Always keep an eye on your inbox, and be ready to provide clear, high-quality images of any requested documents. If you're wondering how to speed things up, here's a quick checklist. 1. Double-check all your information before you submit. Make sure your name, address, and business details are an exact match across all documents. 2. Use high-quality, clear, and uncropped photos of your documents. Make sure there's no glare or blurriness. 3. If you're asked for more information, respond promptly. The sooner you provide what they need, the sooner your application can move forward. Once everything is verified and approved, you'll receive a welcome email, and you'll have full access to your new Relay business banking account. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.